Big news for developers. Shadcn just dropped a major update adding the new calendar component, solving some of the frustrating issues we struggled with. They shipped this only 5 days after the complete redesign of their documentation using Fuma docs. So now if we go to the components here and we find the calendar, we can see a lot of new things. Important thing to know is that all these calendar components are now upgraded to Tailwind version 4 and to the new version of the React Day Picker. And besides this old calendar, we can also see here that we have now the Persian calendar, then we have this awesome range calendar, then the month and year selector. This one would come in handy really 1 month ago for my meal planner project. So here we have the date of birth. This is something that earlier we had to create ourselves, or I used V0 for something like this. So we can choose the month and year, and we can put in the date of birth. Then we have this date and time picker. So here we can select the date, and finally we have the Shadcn time picker, and it's really simple and easy. I thought it's going to be something more complex, but here you can see we can just type in the time. So 9:22, 10 seconds, AM, PM. We can just change that one on A, P on our keyboard. And check out this next component, Natural Language Picker. This component uses the chrononode library to parse natural language dates. And here in this example, we can see that we have the string in 2 days, and we can see that our post is going to be published on June the 8th. So today is June the 6th. So it's automatically calculating when are we going to have our post published. So we can put in 10 days, for example, we can see June the 16th, we can put in 1 month, and also it's working. We can see July the 16th, and we can put and 5 days, for example, July the 11th. So this one is really one powerful component. It can be used in many ways on your project, so this one really makes me happy. Then here we have the form, so that's just the code. How are we going to use this calendar with the React hook forms? And we have the whole upgrade guide for Tailwind version 4 and how we install everything with the calendar. So it is easy as always with the power of Shadcn registry. So everything we need to do is just to call our Shadcn latest add calendar command, and after that we can just go here to code and use whichever calendar we want, just copy it and use it on our project. And that is not all. Not only we get this component, but we also get 32 blocks in the calendar section on the blocks page. So here we have a lot of versions of different calendars with multiple months, with range selection, minimum days. Here we have maximum days, disabled days. There are some really cool calendars. For example, the one with the localization, here it is. So here we can see we have Spanish and English. So we are getting the localized calendar, and we have the month and year drop down. This is something that we didn't have earlier, so this one is used for that date of birth. And if you want to use any of these calendars, it is really easy. We can pick this one with the start time, for example. You just copy the npx shadcn add calendar 16 command, you put it inside of your terminal, then this one is going to install Shadcn if you don't have it already. I have it on my AI framework project here, and we are going to add here the button, the card, the input label, and we are adding the calendar component together with the calendar 16 block. So now we can go to our, let's say here to our main page, and we can just put here our block. So let's search where it is. It's this one, calendar 16. So I'm going to add it right here inside of my page, and I'm going to put it here. So let's open my project, and we are getting that same calendar. It took me maybe, I don't know, 20 seconds, something like that. So we have the new Shadcn calendar together with the time component, and we can just use it in our project. This is really amazing. Shadcn is really setting the standards. How are we building UIs today? And if you watched my previous video about the Tailwind version 4, you could see that I gave my prediction that we are definitely going to get more blocks, because I saw this browse all blocks button on the blocks page. And still, I think we are going to get a bunch more blocks here, because we only have here in the featured, we have only one sidebar, we have 10 sidebars, 5, 6 authentication, login, and now we have 32 calendars. So this section here, I think there are more blocks here than on the first 4 sections. So be prepared. I would expect something again next week. And if you want more content like this, join the Mighty Horde, subscribe.